morning students. I am Asutosh Ranjan, science teacher from Modern MSc School, Bihar Sri branch. Today I am going to revise your 6th chapter housing. Previously I have taught and discussed about different types of houses and features of different types of houses and methods to how to clean our house and features of a good house. Today I will revise it. In previous lecture I have discussed so many types of houses. These are caravan, houseboat, igloo, hut, bungalow, houseboat, tent. These are houses, multi-story houses. These are houses. These are types of different houses, and basically on the basis of their formation, required materials which are used to make any houses are classified into two groups, that is kacha house and pakka house. And these kacha house and pakka houses are two types of houses based on their required material on which are used to make it. And these are caravan, igloo, tent, bungalow, multi-story. These are houses in which some houses are temporary houses and some are permanent houses. Temporary houses are tent, caravan, houseboat. These are temporary houses. These houses can move one place to another place. But bungalow, multi-story, hut, these are houses which are fixed on the same place and it cannot be moved. Now, as we know that houses are very essential and houses are useful for us, so our houses should be clean. So some features of a clean house, that our houses should be clean and well ventilated. Sunlight should be entered in our houses properly. In our houses there should be proper drainage system for disposal of wastewater. In our houses there should be separate rooms for each purpose, for studying, for sleeping, for receiving guests. So many for studying, for cooking food. Bathroom should be clean, and these techniques should be used in bathroom, that wastewater will be removed properly. After using the bathroom should be clean and dry. So these are features of a clean house and good house. A clean house will be called as good house. If a house is not clean, then that house will not be called as a good house. So it is very necessary that a good house should be properly clean, well ventilated, airy. Sunlight should be available in proper amount, and all materials, all objects should be arranged in our home on their proper place. We should also plant plants, decorating plants around our home for fresh air and decorating our homes. Plants also provide fresh air to us and increase the cleanness of our home. So people of different areas in the world in our country live in different types of houses according to their surroundings. In my previous lecture, I have discussed about these that people of different areas live in different types of houses. As a typical example is igloo. In Antarctic area where there is extreme cold weather, cold climate, houses are made up of ice, snow, and houses made up of snow is called as igloo. So here people live in igloo that is made up of ice. So these are different types of houses and their features and methods that how do we clean our houses. In our houses there should be proper dustbin in which we should put all garbages of our home, and time to time we should dispose it from our house. So these are features of a clean house, good house, and this is the revision lecture for your 6th chapter housing. Thank you. Have a nice day.